In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an administrator to Zoho Projects. Giving someone admin access is a powerful change, so I'll walk you through the fastest and safest way to do it, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can confidently promote a user to an admin role in your Zoho Projects portal. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho Projects with an account that already has permission to manage users and roles. If you don't have those permissions, you won't see some of the options I'm about to mention. Once you're in Zoho Projects, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the Setup menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your main configuration and administration options live, so whenever you're changing settings or managing users, you'll usually start here. After you click the Setup gear icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Users. This section controls who has access to your portal and what level of access they have. Under Manage Users, choose Portal Users. This will open a list of everyone who currently belongs to your Zoho Projects portal. Take a moment to find the person you want to promote to administrator. You can scroll through the list or, if available, use any search or filter options to narrow it down. When you've located the correct user, look for the column that shows their current role, such as employee or any other role you've set up. Click directly on their current role. This is important because that's what opens the options to change it. When you click the role, a drop-down menu will appear with different role choices. From that drop-down, select Admin. This is the role that gives the user administrator privileges across your Zoho Projects portal. Before you move on, just double-check that you've selected the correct user and the correct role, since admins can manage projects, users, and many key settings. Once you've chosen admin, look for the option to confirm your change. Click Update to save it. This step applies the new role to that user. After clicking Update, the user's role in the list should now show as admin, confirming the change went through. And that's it. You've successfully added an administrator to Zoho Projects using the fastest path.